What is going on, everyone? So here we are today. I just picked up a new RC set. It's the TRX4 with Traxx, and I just want to give you guys a quick overview of what's inside the box. It has a bonus like tire and wheel sets, so here we go. Okay, so what I picked up is the orange version of the TRX4 Sport with Traxx. And today we're just going to see what's in here. Okay, so it comes with this TQ radio. Looks good. This is my first Traxxas, by the way. So I really don't know what to expect. I guess some manuals. And then I just pulled this out of the box. And under the box, so I guess it comes with, okay, so it comes with 4 regular tires for a TRX4. There you go. Okay, so that goes in there. I guess this is, let's pull this up first before. Okay, so what's inside? I actually opened this up because I bought an adapter for Dean's connector. So yeah, this one has obviously like the Traxxas battery connector, and so it has the Titan 21 turn 550 motor, and I guess underneath will be the receiver, and then for the ECU, what's this? XL5? Yeah, so XL5. Plans for this. Let's go over the body first. So the body itself, let's remove this plastic again. Okay, so I just removed the body, or the plastic. So it comes with, what's this? The rack. I believe the regular TRX4 Sport doesn't come with this, so you have to buy this separately. So it comes with accessories, and so that's that. So it comes with the accessories and all that. Plus you get the bonus Traxx. These are the deep Traxx. So earlier versions or earlier releases only come with the regular depth of Traxx. So I guess this will provide more traction. There we go. So the difference between, so the blue has orange, what do you call this, traction pads, while the orange body has the blue traction pads. And then on the other side, so from what I've seen is that the blue body has the orange rotopacks, and then for the orange body it comes with the white. Yeah. So there you go. Now, one thing though is that I thought this comes clear, but for some reason it's all blacked out. But I thought I saw some videos where these are clear. Okay, I believe this is the wrench to remove the tracks, and then that's the regular wrench. It comes with like stickers for the fender, some Traxxas stickers, and manual. So what are my plans for this truck? I already bought a few upgrades that goes with it based on watching few YouTube videos. So I believe the servo needs to be upgraded, so I bought the high torque 400. This is the Traxxas 2550, or $22.55. I also bought from Amazon. Let me know if you want me to post links to the Amazon. So this is the 25 turn stainless or aluminum servo arm to go with the servo. And then, so I also have the Quick Run Hobby Wing Quick Run 1080. So correct me if I'm wrong, I'm really new at this. So by installing this, I don't really need to install a BEC. So yeah, well, there you go. But before we do that, let's see how this goes. Let me put some batteries into the controller and to the truck. Okay, so I now have 4 AA battery on my controller, and for the battery of the truck, so I chose the Gens Ace 3300 45C battery. Okay, so that's it. Now what I noticed is that, so for this battery, so as you lock that in, so it's really shaking, so we'll have to put, there's a little bit of space underneath, so I need to put some foam padding in there, and yeah, so it won't shake while it's driving. Oh, let's see, hold on. So here it goes. I powered it on. I haven't calibrated anything, so just powered it on. Just got a hum. I don't know what that is, but there you go. All right. Okay, so I went ahead and peeled off the plastic, and so essentially, I'm not sure if you already know, like, so this TRX Sport already comes with light buckets. You see there, lights. Already comes with lights, and I did notice that you can even put some rock lights, which I've seen some videos on YouTube that they did put some rock lights here. So I want to get, this is my first TRX4, and I wanted to get into the Traxxas platform, and I guess this is a good start since it comes with the Traxx wheel set and the regular tires. So as for the body, I like it as it is. I'll probably just put some rock lights, more lights into it, or yeah, it also comes with a light bar. Nice, sweet. For the body, I'll probably paint this like flat black instead of using the sticker. So I don't know if I would paint this. I like the orange color, so we'll see. But there you go. So that's the Traxx TRX4 Sport with Traxx and a regular wheel set. I'll see you guys on the trails.